Good morning everyone. In our last video lesson of the chapter triangles, we discussed about the meaning of congruent figures, similar figures, difference between the two. After that we discussed about similar triangles and their properties. And one more thing we discussed, that was basic proportionality theorem. Now today we are going to discuss about converse of basic proportionality theorem or Thales theorem. Converse of BPT states that if a line divides any two sides of a triangle in the same ratio, then the line must be parallel to the third side. It means that suppose we have a triangle ABC in which a line is drawn L. Suppose we have a point D and E on the sides AB and AC on this line L. Now this is line L is drawn in such a way that the ratio of the two sides, that is AD by DB and AE by EC, are equal given. We need to prove that this DE line will be parallel to BC. For that we have written given a triangle ABC in which a line L intersecting AB in D and AC in E, such that AD by DB equals AE by EC. As I already said, to prove is D parallel to BC. Now suppose, if possible, let DE be not parallel to BC. We have assumed that this DE line is not parallel to BC. If this DE is not parallel to BC, then there must be a line coming out of point D which will be parallel to BC. Let us say that line is DF. Then there must be another line parallel to BC. Let DF parallel BC. Now, since DF is parallel to BC, according to BPT, we can say that AD by DB will be equals to AF by FC. AD by DB equals AF by FC. This we have studied in basic proportionality theorem. But it was given that AD by DB is equals to AE by EC. That is AD by DB equals AE by EC. Now in equation 1 and 2, if you see, the LHS part are equal, which means RHS will be same. That is AF by FC equals AE by EC. Now adding 1 on both sides, we get AF plus FC by FC equals AE plus EC by EC. On solving this, we further find that AC and AC will be cancelled. That is FC equals EC. Now in the figure, if you concentrate, that FC is equals to EC. Now this is only possible when the points E and F coincides each other. Means the point E and F will be one onto another. So if this will happen, since DF was parallel to BC and E and F are coinciding, which means we can say in place of DF, DE. So DE will be parallel to BC. So finally we can say that if we have a line drawn in such a way that ratio of the two sides are equal, then the line must be parallel to the third side. This is converse of basic proportionality theorem. Now let us move further with our topic, that is angle bisector theorem. Now what is this angle bisector theorem? The internal bisector of an angle of a triangle divides the opposite side internally in the ratio of the sides containing the angle. What it wants to say that, suppose we have a triangle ABC in which we have drawn a line AD which is the bisector of angle A. Bisector means 1 equals 2. Now we need to prove that this bisector is falling on the side BC, dividing in two parts BD and DC. Its ratio, that is BD by DC, will be equals to the sides containing that angle. Now angle A is contained by AB and AC. So ratio will be AB by AC. So finally we need to prove AB by AC equals BD by DC. This is angle bisector theorem. Let's see how to prove it. Given a triangle ABC in which AD is the bisector of angle A and meets BC in D. You can see the figure as well. To prove AB by AC equals BD by DC. Now for this proving, we have a small construction, that is, draw CE parallel DA which meets BA produced in E. You can see the figure. This CE is drawn parallel to DA which is meeting the produced side BA in E. Now how we can prove it? Since DA is parallel to CE, DA is parallel to CE, we can say angle 2 will be equals to angle 3 alternate angle and angle 1 equals angle 4 corresponding angle. Same thing is here, angle 1 equals 4 corresponding and angle 2 equals angle 3 alternate angle. Now since angle 1 and angle 2 was equal given, since AD was the angle bisector, now 1 and 2 are equal, which means 3 and 4 will be equal. So we can say angle 3 equals angle 4. Now that is, now 3 and 4 are in the same triangle. So using the isosceles triangle property, we can say opposite to these sides opposite to these angles will be same. That is AE equals AC. Now in triangle BEC, see in the complete figure, BEC triangle. Now in this complete triangle, we can see DA is parallel to CE. DA is parallel to CE. So using the basic proportionality theorem, we can say that BD by DC will be equals to BA by AE. That is BD by DC equals BA by AE. That is basic proportionality theorem or the Thales theorem. Now since we are having AE equal AC, so replace this AE with AC. What we will get? BD by DC equals AB by AC. Since AE and AC are equal, we have proved it. So finally we can say that BD by DC equals AB by AC. This is our angle bisector theorem. So today we have discussed converse of BPT and angle bisector theorem. All of you revise this video once or twice and based on the theorems discussed, solve as much questions as possible. Until then, take care.